This looks good.
Oh yeah, baby.
Sasha, what are you working on for us today?
We got a London Broil, and we're gonna butterfly it.
All right.
And we got some stuffing.
What do you mean
We got
stuffing?
some meat. We got all kinds of stuff we're gonna stuff in there.
Oh, this sounds good.
Yep. We don't want to go so far. We're gonna leave the back for a hinge.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna go with that. Perfect.
This thing
Perfect.
is so steady.
Perfect temperature.
Excellent.
Supposed to say it.
Ricotta.
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 Ricotta. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Right here. We're gonna lay some provolone. Now we're gonna get some salami.
And some salami.
Nice fresh prosciutto.
Oh, prosciutto.
We got some olives. We got some garlic.
Mm.
And we're gonna cut this up a little bit because it does take up a lot of room.
Oh, look at that. Adding the colors in there too. And the flavor.
Mm.
I see some olive oil. I
fresh
see
ground
some
parm.
Parmesan. Okay.
Fresh ground Parmesan.
Why not? Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Yep. And we get some nice olive oil. There's a whole bunch of ways of doing this, but I prefer this way.
Okay.
Red pepper flakes.
Wow.
Okay.
It's like a Picasso. Okay.
Grab onto those strings.
Yep.
There you go. There you go. Pull them right through. There you go.
There.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sorry about that.
Nice.
All right.
One, two, 1, 2, even 3, huh? Change it up. $250, $275.
All right.
Now right here, I'm gonna push that down just a little bit so it to lock in.
Okay.
There we go. Put a little olive oil on here. BBQ Pit Boys fancy steak spice.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Okay. There she goes. All right.
Here we go.
Slasher, let's see how this is going. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh man, look at that.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh wow.
Yep. Oh man, this is a home run, guys.
I love how we're eating this, man. We're supposed to be fancy dinner, but we're just like,
We got the fork
yeah,
and the knife.
no, we didn't do that.
Gotta go primal with the
Don't eat that.
dripping all over the place. This is so good.
Chef's kiss.
Oh,
Oh boy.
boy, what a kick.
Man, this looks good.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
This looks good.